How to wear multiple face accessories on Roblox. So if you want to wear multiple face accessories on Roblox, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up a browser. So I'm here with my Chrome browser, and then you need to go with the search, and under search you need to search for roblox.com/my/avatar and hit the enter, and it will take you to the avatar editor page. So from here you just need to simply choose accessories, which will be on the upper side, and then you can simply choose the accessories that you would like. So I'll be choosing the neck accessories. So once you choose the accessory, then it will be added, right? So if you want to wear multiple accessories, then what you need to do is, for example, I'll be choosing face accessories. So I've just choose the goggles. So once you've done that, now here on the right side you will have advanced option, right? So simply click on the advanced, and here you will have, so here you can see that I've added 3 accessories, right? So what you need to do is just simply click on the accessory. Once you click on it or go with the advanced, and here you will have the first, like the goggles accessory ID, right? So if you simply copy this ID and then go back and again choose the other accessory. So I don't have any accessories right here, but if you have any accessories like more than 2 or 3, then you just need to simply click on the accessory. Once you click on it, you will get the number, right? The ID of that accessory. So what you need to do is simply go with advanced, and then you need to enter the asset. Once you enter the asset ID, you can go with save. And are you sure you want to override your current look? Then you can simply go with save, and your accessories will be saved. And this way you'll be able to add 2 or 3 accessories. Like here you can see that in under the advanced you will have 2 or 3 options. So you can simply add 3 asset IDs, and then you can add or wear 3 multiple face accessories on Roblox in this way. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.